A garland is one of the most versatile Christmas decorations. It instantly adds texture, color, and charm to any space. Whether draped across a mantel, wrapped around a staircase, or hung on a doorway, garlands create the magic of Christmas in every corner. Let's explore creative Christmas garland ideas that make your home feel festive and full of life. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best way to style a fireplace mantel? Drape garland loosely for a natural effect, or anchor it evenly for symmetry. Pair with candles, stockings, or lanterns for cozy holiday warmth. Mantel styled? Like this if your fireplace feels merry and bright. What colors work best for garland? Green is classic, but red berries, gold ribbon, or frosted white add personality. Match tones to your overall Christmas color palette. Colors matched? Like this if your garland complements your style. What about decorating windows with garland? Drape garlands above window frames or along sills. Mix with candles or frosted pine cones to create a glowing view from inside and out. Windows glowing? Like this if your space sparkles in every frame. How do I use garland outdoors? Choose weatherproof materials and secure tightly with hooks. Add battery lights and bows to keep it bright through snow or rain. Outdoor ready? Like this if your porch shines with holiday cheer. How do I style garland on mirrors or frames? Wrap greenery loosely around edges or drape it over the top. Mirrors reflect lights beautifully, doubling your garland's holiday glow. Mirrors bright? Like this if your walls shimmer with Christmas charm. How do I keep garland fresh and secure? Mist real garlands every few days and avoid direct heat. For faux ones, fluff branches and secure ends with wire for a long-lasting display. Garland glowing? Like this if your decor feels fresh and festive. How do I choose the right type of garland? Decide on real or faux greenery. Real pine smells wonderful, while faux garlands last for years and can be fluffed, shaped, and reused. Garland chosen? Like this if your greenery feels merry and lush. How can I decorate a staircase with garland? Wrap it along the banister and secure with ties or ribbon. Add ornaments or bows at each curve to create flow and visual rhythm. Staircase glowing? Like this if your railings feel Christmas ready. Can I create a DIY garland at home? Yes, use twine, dried oranges, popcorn, or cranberries. DIY garlands bring handmade charm and are fun family projects for the holidays. DIY complete? Like this if your handmade garland shines with heart. Can I add garland to a dining table? Yes, lay it as a table runner down the center. Add candles, ornaments, and berries for a stunning natural tablescape that wows guests. Table glowing? Like this if your dining feels festive and elegant. What are the best materials for garland? Mix pine, eucalyptus, or cedar for depth. Add ribbons, berries, or lights for extra sparkle. Texture is key to creating a rich and festive look. Materials ready? Like this if your garland feels full and vibrant. Can I use garland around door frames? Absolutely. Frame doorways with greenery for a grand entrance. Add fairy lights or metallic ornaments to draw attention and sparkle. Doors glowing? Like this if your entry feels festive and inviting. Garlands tie your Christmas decor together with beauty and warmth. From staircases to tables, they bring the spirit of the season into every space. With lights, ribbons, and a little creativity, your home will feel magical from top to bottom. Inspired by these garland ideas? Like and check back for more festive decorating inspiration.